Okay, so the next thing that we've got here is it says, if m squared gives the number of two-step communication paths and m gives the number of one-step or direct communication paths, then m plus m squared gives the total number of communication paths that take either one or two steps. Find the total number of communication pathways by finding matrix T, where T is equal to m plus m squared. So now we want to figure out how many one or two-step communication pathways there are. So to do that, we're going to say, well, T is going to be equal to m plus m squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here. Now, remember, this thing by itself, without squared, is my one step. And then I'm going to add that on with this one, which is m squared. And that's going to give me this. And this is, if we come right here, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Perfect. And I might just tidy this up. Bang. Okay, remember, what is this saying to us? This is saying that this is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. That's an ugly B. Let's now take a picture of this using the power of technology. And we're going to come up here. And we're going to see what this means, because this right here is my total one or two-step communication. So let's come here. Let's clear this. And let's examine it next to our picture here and see if we can make sense of it. So what this is saying, let's take a point. Let's take this point right here. This is saying that C can communicate with B two ways. So C can communicate with B. Well, it could just do this, right? It's got a one-step communication pathway. And then it could also talk to B by going to A, then there. This is a two-step communication pathway. So all up, there are two ways that C could talk to B. You've got this one step and you've got this two step. That's what that two represents. If we take another one, if we say, all right, what about A to C? So A to C, there is only one line of communication between A to C. Let's have a look. So this is saying that A could talk to C there. Now, is there any other way for A to talk to C? You might be thinking, well, what if it sent it to A? Sorry, what if it sent it to B? Well, then B can't send it to C. There's only one way for it to communicate. There's only one direct way. So one step between A to C. There is no two-step pathways from A to C here because there is no arrow there. So that's what our total communication is showing us. So if we come up here, again, T is equal to m plus m squared represents the total of one and two-step communication links. So that is what it's telling to us. So we have just created that.